Hey everyone, I wanted to show a video of what I've had to put up with a little bit recently. Got the vet running nicely, and it's it was running really well uh, for the most part. But then the door handle broke, which was really nice. And there she sits at the moment. Um, the driver door handle just broke, so I've actually pulled it off already. But as you can see, there is the missing door handle. And of course, the passenger side was locked. And I'm not going to say how I got in, except it involved that gap in the window, in the passenger window. So that was, at least I was able to get in. So let me show you what actually happened here. Here's the level, here they are. Go back in to the garage. It's too cold outside to work on this thing today. Although I see other people, other videographers who will work out in sub-zero weather. I'm a wimp, I guess. So what happened was this piece is supposed to be here. And I pressed down on it to open the door, and it snapped off. So what I have is a new one. Oops. So what I have is a new one that is from Bears Corvettes in Linesville, which I thought was pretty cool because Linesville is in Crawford County, Pennsylvania, and that's where I grew up. Not too far from there. So that was pretty interesting. So big shout out to Linesville and Bears. So let's open this puppy up and see what we got. So let's open this puppy up. I bought this one because it had, hey look, some eerie times, so that's cool. I'll get to read the local paper. I bought this one because it had both, it had the rod and the two clips. We might take a look here in a minute, but the rod that was in there seemed a little more bent when I looked at the pictures, so I wasn't sure if it would be good or not, so I figured may as well get this one. And this is the only one that actually had the rod and the clips in it as a set. So you can see it's pretty much okay. I'm not sure where this stud went. I must have pulled that stud rather than taking the nut off, and it's actually probably sitting at the bottom of the door because I think I dropped that one. So that looks about right. It's the same thing. Looks pretty good actually. The weight, it's got nice weight to it. Nice, that should work well. Yeah, that ought to work nicely. So, I don't know if I'll put it in today. I probably will not put it in today. Just because it's 26 degrees with the wind chill out there. So, let's not do that. We will try to take a look and see if I can see inside the door. Um, get a better look inside the door. Get that door open. As long as the passenger side doesn't break too. Oh, that hurt. Ow, motherfucker, that hurt. God damn. Okay, so I got the door open after smashing my head into the T-top handle and gashing it open, so that was nice. So, see if we can turn the flash on here. I'm also going to replace the lock cylinders. These aren't, I lost the keys for these, but I have a new set, so that should work nicely. Getting that out was a pain because it really came close to the edge over there, and getting the nut on was a bear, but actually that rod does look the same, so I don't know. We'll have to see what I do with that. But somewhere down here is lying the nut that fell off, so I've got to try to dig that out somehow now. That's really nice. But that will be saved for a less cold day. And I'm just going to retreat to the garage and say enough of this for today. And yep, that's it for now.